ba?
Then, pag na-occupyan na daw lahat, lalagyan daw yung parang elevator.
Elevator.
Ito yung Seattle's best. Tapos yung pinakadulo doon yung magiging Starbucks.
Okay.
Paddy's Point itong buong to. Nakuha ng Paddy's Point.
Eto.
Ilakot
Tapos,
kami yan.
ayan. Ayan yung gate ng office.
Parang
yung
alihin
gate.
natin. Igilid natin.
I love. Okay.
Ribbon cutting niya?
Okay, go.
Carbon gas.
So, yan. Yan. Oh, gosh.
So, ito, pinaghatiran lang ng radio station tsaka tayo.
Okay, so yan, yung buong third floor, ang mag-occupy lang is the radio station and front row. So, this is the veranda. This is the veranda.
Tignan mo naman yung katapat na nakalagay. Sami Building.
Sami Building. I love.